Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr Sudarshan. Today's question is: my skin started showing reddish round rods after applying aftershave cream. Later, I noticed that it has become thick. Now I can feel that my skin is rough on the affected area and I can feel this once I move my fingers. Shall I use Nalpamaradi Thailam to remove this? Nalpamaradi Thailam is an Ayurvedic medicinal oil used in the treatment of skin diseases. This oil is formulated based on Kerala Ayurveda principles. It is mentioned in Taila Yoga Prakarana or section of oil-based formulations of famous Ayurvedic treatise of Kerala, Sahasra Yogam. Nalpamaradi Thailam is prepared with sesame oil as base. If the same formulation is prepared with coconut oil as base, it is called as Nalpamaradi Keram. It is used in skin diseases, herpes, scabies, eczema, dermatitis, allergic skin diseases such as ringworm infestation, blood impurities, etc. It is also prescribed for allergic hives, prickly heat, psoriasis, contact dermatitis, mosquito bite marks, etc. Major contents of this oil include java fig, cluster fig, banyan tree, sacred fig, sandalwood, Indian madder, etc. Coming to the query regarding the usage of Nalpamaradi Thailam in skin allergy, a skin lesion appearing after a cosmetic application is considered as hypersensitive allergic reaction. By analyzing the qualities and benefits of this oil, it can be advised for the application of Nalpamaradi Thailam over the affected area. But direct eye contact should be avoided. It should be left over skin for 10 to 15 minutes and then washed off with lukewarm water. If there is severe itching, you may want to consider adding a pinch of turmeric to a teaspoon of Nalpamaradi oil and apply it on the skin. If the symptoms do not improve with 2 days, you may need oral Ayurvedic medicines along with this oil application. Please consult a doctor in person. Thanks for watching. For more such content, please hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. This is Dr. Sudarshan signing off. Namaste.